It's hard to imagine that over time, millions upon millions of army personnel worldwide have strapped their boots and put their uniforms on to fight for their country. It's estimated that over 150 million Defence Force personnel lost their lives fighting for their country. I've gathered artists from all around the world and put together an army, a fluid art army at that, and have come together to help honour and pay respect to all fallen and injured soldiers, and to send positive energy and cheer on our still serving personnel and pray for their safe arrival home. So come with us for a full week of art as we create our own version of a camouflage painting. This is Pouremberance Day, an artist collaboration.
Attention! Forward march! 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna pour some paint tonight! We're gonna pour some paint tonight! Pouring painters out of sight! Pouring painters out of sight! Some of us will use Floetrol! Some of us will use Floetrol! Others use Elmer's glue! Others use Elmer's glue! Sound off! 1, 2! I can hear you! 3, 4! Bring it on home now! 1, 2, 3, 4! 1, 2, 3, 4! We're gonna pour some paint tonight! We're gonna pour some paint tonight! Pouring painters out of sight! Pouring painters out of sight! Some of us will use Floetrol! Some of us will use Floetrol! Others use Elmer's glue! Others use Elmer's glue! Sound off! 1, 2! I can hear you! 3, 4! Bring it on home now! 1, 2, 3, 4! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Hello, my friends. Thank you for being here today. I also want to thank Nathan from the Fine Art of Distraction for organizing this collab and all the artists who have taken the time to show their remembrance through art. After me is Janice Pittman at Just Janice. There is a playlist in the description below, so please go and show your support to all of these artists. We are honoring the past and present serving military members around the world. I would like to thank family and friends who have served and are still serving. It takes a toll on the members as well as families. I would like to talk a little about some of my family members who have served. My husband's grandfather, Leo, everyone called him Bud. He served in World War II and he fought in France, Belgium, Holland, and Germany. He fought in all of these countries for freedom, and I honor him. I honor Bud. My father, my dad, he served in the Canadian Air Force. And also to my husband, Kevin, you served for over 35 years in the Canadian military. You made me realize there are so many people who need help, whether you are on a UN mission in Kosovo, Bosnia, or are fighting in the Afghanistan war. You were there helping. He's the one that made me realize and show me what it means to be a family and a person serving for their country. I joined the Canadian Air Force in 2006. And I wanted to serve my country and help in any way I could. I served for over 11 years. There's just something about the military unity you have. It's like one big family. Whether you're serving or whether you are that family helping that serving member. I loved every minute I served in the military. and everyone I met. Thank you. Words cannot describe or say or express the feelings I have for the members past and present. Please take the time on Remembrance Day to talk with a veteran. Listen to their stories. You would be so amazed at what they have to say. This is one reason why Remembrance Day is so special, and it is showing them that we thank them for the service they have done, past and present, and the sacrifices they have also done for the freedom of so many different people and so many lives. Thank you to all the serving members, past and present, in the world today. I thank you. I thank Bud, my dad, and to my hero, my husband, Kevin. Thank you. In this painting today, I have used multiple art mediums. I just wanted to represent the Canadian Air Force in this one. I did want to do a really big collaboration, but time gets away from you, life gets away from you. So I just narrowed it down to where I served. And I will show you the colors of the military CAD-PAT and what they wear every day. That's the colors I used, as well as the Canadian Air Force colors. So please join me and I will get you down on the canvas. For today's collab, I'm gonna show you what colors I'm using for the background color, which is gonna be landscape. And the colors I'm using, of course, are in the Canadian military CAD-PAT uniform, which they wear daily. The first color I mixed, as I was in the Air Force, I am using also the Canadian Air Force blue that they usually use. All depending on the element you join, you have a different t-shirt underneath your shirt. As I was Air Force, I have like a Royal Navy Air Force color. If you were in the Navy, it would be black, and if you were in the Army, it would be green. I am gonna show you what I've mixed, my paints, and how I did it. Well, sort of eyeballed it, but the colors I used. Anyways, first thing I did was I mixed, and it was golden, burnt sienna, and the chromium oxide green, and it made this brownish color, this greenish brownish color. And then I mixed burnt sienna, primary yellow, and titanium white to get this brown color, so this color here. For the next color, I mixed the chromium oxide green golden with primary yellow, Liquitex basic, titanium white, Amsterdam, which is this other green I have right here. And then I did a black, because there is a black in the uniform, which is this black here. And I used golden carbon black with a little touch of the Amsterdam titanium white. And then for the blue side, I mixed up a big batch of phthalo blue, Artez phthalo blue, because I really like that color. And it really matched the color I was going for, the cobalt blue hue, and it gave me this actually. And I also added a tiny bit of the carbon black, which gave me this. And then all I did for this color was I added the first color and then just added some more titanium white to it. This is gonna be my sky. I wanted sort of like a bluish gray as well for the sky. So I mixed together white and black, the carbon black golden and the white titanium. And then I added some of the first blue I mixed together into this, and it made this really cool, awesome blue gray. I'm going to use Cause Creations, her sort of idea for landscape. I'm going to have roughly about this much is going to be the land, and then this will be the sky. I'm going to see if I can tape off some nice hills to make it look not so straight and linear. Okay, so I'm just going to tape that off, and then I'll get some cups. We'll pour some colors together, and we'll do a flip cup for the bottom, and then also for the sky. Thank you everyone for joining me, and I hope you really enjoyed this. And please go check out all of the artists starting from November 9th and going till November 15th. There's a playlist in the description below. I greatly appreciate this. Just Janice is up after me, so please stay tuned for her, and please thank a veteran.